Is a mobile security assistant, but this is not the only functionality. So probably I start with the functions the device has. So you can use it for intrusion detection. For instance, to show it here, for instance in your garage, in your garden shed, in your classic car, and there are several sensors inside which can detect whether there is an intrusion. But you can also use the sensor, for instance, to measure air quality. It's indicated here by the color. Indoor air quality as well as outdoor air quality or point count. Of course, it also measures temperature and humidity and gives you an alert in certain cases. And it can even give you warnings in case of fires. Yeah? So it can specifically detect fire gases and then give you a warning. And you directly get it on your mobile phone. I can show you. So there we are. Sorry, it's in German because. But I mean, I see this is a spectre I have in my garage. I see the temperature, I see humidity, I see the air quality. I would get a warning if there is an intrusion. I can even have a look on details about. I see here the temperature, the humidity, the air quality changes over time. Yeah. So I mean, this is always shown in your app, and whenever there would be an alarm case, I would be directly notified on my phone. And this is because the device is connected. Basically, it has everything inside what you need with respect to connectivity. It has Bluetooth inside, it has Wi-Fi inside, it even has a SIM card inside and a GSM modem. So it's like a mobile phone if you don't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Yeah. So wherever you put the device, you are connected. You know where it is. It has GPS inside. And it basically has all sensors which you might need. So this is what the device can do today. And this is those are new functions which are coming in.
So this is what designed for mobile.
All right, well, we are here with the Bosch booth and our Home Connect smart appliances. Starts with our oven here. This is going to be connected. So if you want to find a recipe and send the instructions straight to the control panel, done. If you want updates that it's done preheating or the lasagna is done in the oven, you can get that right on your phone, or my favorite, right to my smartwatch or Fitbit, to really give you a lot of convenience in your everyday life. As we move on to our connected dishwasher, I think most people have been through a point where they forgot that they ran out of detergent and needed it. So something like this, every time you load a dishwasher tab, it will go ahead and count backwards and then reorder dishwasher detergent automatically for you, if that's what you would like. Again, plenty of notifications. Simply ask Alexa or a Google Assistant how much time is remaining in the cycle. Lots of different things that this can do, even saving favorites. I like saving the auto mode with our crystal dry function for drying performance. And then we have our refrigerator. Now this is an international piece, not available in the United States, but one of the coolest things is that it has cameras inside of it. So a camera on the door to see the stock and inventory inside, and a camera inside to see the inventory on the door. So no more wondering if you ran out of milk, ran out of eggs when you're at the grocery store and need to buy it. Simply look at the refrigerator, dial it up in the app, and go. Over here, we have another piece. This is one of my favorites, although not available in the US. It's called the Cook It. And all these parts and pieces make it an all-in-one cooking machine. From mixing to blending to slicing and chopping, you can prepare your entire recipe here and then even cook it inside the Cook It basin here. Smart recipes can be sent directly to the control panel from the same Home Connect app to really guide a user through the creation of the recipe. It's kind of like having a chef right there with you. So those are the appliances that we have brought here to CES, all powered by Home Connect.